Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be discussing how to permanently delete your X/Twitter account step by step. Let's dive right in. Now, first things first, what you're going to want to do is simply log into your Twitter account. Now from there, go ahead and tap on your account icon, which is located in the top left corner. And from there, go ahead and click on settings and support, and another option will pop up. Go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Now from there, click on the your account option, and then once you've clicked on that, you will have another display of options, and from those, go ahead and click deactivate account. Once you tap on that, Twitter will go ahead and ask for your password in order to confirm the deactivation of your account. Now, this is the important bit, people. Once you've deactivated your account, Twitter will give you a 30-day window to recover it if you wish. If you do not recover your account in 30 days, it will go ahead and permanently delete your Twitter account. I hope you found this helpful and easy to understand. Thank you for watching.